When we continue our lesson, today we see the mass of the atomic particle. How we measure the mass of the atomic particle, especially the electron, proton, and the neutron. So, before entering into nucleus, you must know the properties, the mass of this atomic particle. So, because of this reason, we start to discuss this mass. Generally, in nuclear physics, the masses of atomic particles are measured by atomic mass unit, a unit called atomic mass unit. የአቶሚክ ፓርቲክሎችን ማስ በአጠቃላይ ሳይንቲስቶች የሚስማሙበትና የሚለካበት ኤስአይ ዩኒቱ አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ይባላል። አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እንመለከታለን። ይሄ ማስ ኤሌክትሮን፣ ፕሮቶን እና ኒውትሮን ካላቸው ማስ ጋር አፕሮፕሬት ስለማይሆን ወይም ሳይዙ ላርጅ ሳይዝ ስለሚሆን ሌላ ዩኒት አስፈልጓል ማለት ነው። ግን ያ ዩኒት ይሄ አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት የምንለው ከግራም ወይ ከኪሎግራም ጋር ራሱ የቻለ ምናምን አይደለም። ለምንድን ነው አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ያስፈልገው ከተባለ በኪሎግራም ወይም ደግሞ በግራም ብንጠቀም the mass of electron, proton and neutron is very small mass ስለሆነ ነምበሩ very large number ይሆናል። ሶ ይሄንን ሃንድል ለማድረግ we use atomic mass unit እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። Under the atomic mass unit, first of all, you must understand what is the relation between gram or kilogram with atomic mass unit. To derive that equation, always we use the element carbon. One mole of carbon, then first of all, to get the relation between AMU or atomic mass unit and kilogram or gram. You know that one mole of carbon atom, is equal to 12 gram. In gram, you know that is always one mole element have their own masses. ማንኛውም አንድ ሞል ኤሌመንት የራሱ የሆነ ምናምን ክብደት አለ። So from chemistry lesson, you know that this one mole element have their own masses. This mass is always equal to with constant Avogadro number, that is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms or particles. That means what? One mole of any element carries their own masses. But this mass or this one mole of that element is always have a constant number of particles or a constant number of atoms in it. ማንኛውም አንድ ሞል ኤሌመንት ወይም ደግሞ የአንድ ሞል ኤሌመንት የራሱ ክብደት በውስጡ ምን ያክል ፓርቲክል ይይዛል ከተባለ 6.023 times 10 to the power of 23 particles or atoms ይይዛል። ምንጊዜም አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒትን ከኪሎግራም ጋር ሪሌት ለማድረግ የምንጠቀመው ኤሌመንት ማነው? ካርበን። እሱ የራሱ የሆነ ሪዝን ነው። ሶ ኢፍ ዋን ሞል ኦፍ ካርበን ኢዝ 12 ግራም የሚከብድ ከሆነ ዩ ካን ጌት ፍሮም ዚስ 12 ግራም ኢዝ ኢኳልስ ቱ 6.023 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms ወይም ደግሞ ፓርቲክልስ ይኖራል። So it is possible to get the mass of one atom from this relation. As far as ይህን ያክል አተም የሚይዝ ከሆነ ያለው አተም ማስ ስንት ነው የሚለው በቀላሉ ድራይቭ ማድረግ ይቻላል። So to calculate this, what is the mass of one carbon atom, which is equal to X. This is what? The mass of one carbon atom. How much? In gram. This is what? 12 gram of carbon atom. That's one carries this much atoms. But what is the mass of the single atom? You can calculate it. So you get that. you get that the mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 gram divided by 6.023 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Have this relation in your mind. It's in relation also. It's in relation also. This relation ያንዷ የካርበን አተም ክብደት 12 ግራም ሲካፈል ለ0.023 ሲባዛ 10 to the power of 23 መሆኑ ተነገረ። ብሎም ከዚህ ሪሌሽን መነሻችን ይሄ ነው። from chemistry you know that this relation. After that, you know that one atomic mass unit or AMU is defined by as a definition 1/12 of times mass of one carbon atom. This is the definition of atomic mass unit. If you ask me to define atomic mass unit means 1/12 times the mass of one carbon atom. Atomic mass unit, አንድ atomic mass unit ማለት አንድ 12ኛ ሲባዛ የካርበን አተም አንዷ አተም ክብደት ማለት ነው። አንዷ አተም ክብደት የካርበን ማስ 12 ግራም ነው ስንል የካርበን አተም 12 ግራም ነው ስንል ምን ማለታችን? የአንዱ ሞል ማለታችን የአንዱ ሞል ነው። የአንዱ ሞል ክብደት ነው 12 ግራም of carbon ነው። But here you are asked to put the mass of the single carbon atom. So the mass of the single carbon atom can be derived previously mass of one carbon atom. We derived previously 12 gram divided by 6.0 times 10 to the power 23. So put this one in this place. Put this value in this place to get the relation between the atomic mass unit and kilogram or gram. So from this you have what? From this you have one atomic mass unit is equals to 1/12 times kilo. Mass of one carbon atom is this much. That is 12 gram divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So 12 is as is 12. You get that one atomic mass unit is equals to 1/6.02 times 10 to the power 23 what? Gram. So from this, by dividing, you get that one atomic mass unit is equals to 1 divided by 6 number around 0. You get that around 0.16603 times 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Just to get that the relation between atomic mass unit and gram or kilogram. To make it 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This is one atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit. So this is what? The relation between atomic mass unit and the gram. So this also can be put in terms of kilogram. That is one. In terms of kilogram, then one atomic mass unit is equals to just make this just 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So this is what the relation between atomic mass unit and the kilogram or gram. Okay, students, previously we are told just the relation between atomic mass unit and the kilogram and the gram. So depending on that, let us summarize the atomic particle, their charges, their atomic masses in terms of kilogram and the atomic mass unit. አብዛኛው ጊዜ አሁን እንደዚህ በሚሰጥ ጊዜ አብዛኛው ተማሪዎች አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት እና ኪሎግራም ልዩነቱ አያውቁም። ዳት ሰ but ይሄኛው ከአቶሚክ ፓርቲክሎች ማስ አንጻር ዝቅተኛ ስለሆነ በዛ ለመግለጽ ያክል ነው አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት የተጠቀምነው ማለት ነው። ሶ በዚህ መሰረት when we start from electrons always carry negative charges. That charge is amount 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb. This is always negative. On a single electron gives this much charges. አንዱ ኤሌክትሮን ላይ የምናገኘው ቻርጅ መጠን ይህን ያክል ነው። That is what negative charges. Again, the mass of electron in terms of kilogram is 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 1 kilogram. But this can be maybe just expressed in terms of atomic mass unit, 0.00058 atomic mass unit. Or approximately in some books, you get that approximately. In some books, you get that the mass of electron in atomic mass unit is 0. Thus, this can be just, it is come to approximately come to what? 0. Where the 0 is the again, the charge carried by proton is always in the nucleus. That's what positive charge. That charge is equal to the electron, but it is opposite in sign. Electron का कुछ charge है proton में मिश्रण. अन्य proton में मिश्रण का charge electron में मिश्रण का charge का तरह से है. Gain दिखना तो मुझे ना sign हो. This carry positive charge, this carry negative charge. So 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb. Then the mass of proton is 1.676 times 10 to the power minus 27. Minus 27. But this again, by relation that we discussed previously, the relation between kilogram and AMU, you can change this mass into AMU. ቅድም ዲስከስ ባደረግነው የአቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት እና የኪሎግራም ሪሌሽን በመጠቀም ይህንን ማስ ወደ አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ስንቀይረው ይህን ቁጥር እናገኛለን። አገን አንዳንድ መጽሐፎች ላይ አፕሮክሲሜት ስንት ይለዋል? ይሄንን ዋን አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ይለዋል። ዋን አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ስናጠቃቀው ዋን አቶሚክ ማስ ዩኒት ይሆናል። ማሱ ፕሮቶን ኢንተርምስ ኦፍ ኤኤም ማለት ነው። አገን ኦን ኒውትሮን there is no charge. The charge is zero on neutron. ቻርጁ ዜሮ ወይም ደግሞ ምንድነው ኒውትራል ነው። ሶ that charge is not exist on neutron. Neutron ላይ ቻርጅ የለም። But the mass of neutron and the proton slightly it is equal, slightly. In some extent, neutron is maybe have more mass than proton. As you see the number here, 6726, 6749. So this is more mass than this one, this particle, that's proton. So again, this is also approximately one atomic mass.